Are you aware that many schools have released their 2025 Post-UTME forms? Where your response to that question is yes or no, you are in the right place. Initially, I plan to list out all the schools that have released their Post-UTME forms here in this video, but I realized that doing that is going to consume more time and it's also going to be confusing. So finally, I decided to keep all the information in one place. I just created a Telegram channel where you can be able to get the full list of schools that have released their Post-UTME forms, deadlines, requirements, and step-by-step registration guidance. But that's not all. I'll also be sharing expert exam preparation tips, admission secrets, and regular updates to keep you ahead of the game. Interesting, right? Here are some of the benefits of joining our Telegram channel. Joining this Telegram channel simply means that you won't miss out on any updates regarding your Post-UTME and admission. It is a direct access for questions and guidance from me. It is one of the best group of students who are serious about scoring very high in their Post-UTME and getting admitted into the university. The surprising part is that this Telegram channel is absolutely free for you to join. What are you waiting for? Click the Telegram channel link in the description of this video right now to join. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. Join now before the registration deadline passes. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.